In this video, I'm going to go through the process of changing the headlights on a 2004 Honda Accord. This would also apply to a 2003 through 2007 Honda Accord and probably others. To get at the driver's side headlight bulbs, you have to remove the battery. Usually this requires a 10mm wrench. Remove the negative terminal first, then the positive. After that, remove the crossbar and set the battery aside. Now we have access to the bulbs. This is the location of the high beam light bulb. To get it out, twist the bulb housing counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn. If it's too hard to turn, use a pliers or vice grips. I don't recommend removing those Phillips screws. Then pull the bulb straight back and out. Here you can see the filament is clearly burnt out on this one. To remove the bulb from the wiring harness, press the plastic tab on the back and pull the bulb out. So now a few words on the high and low beam bulbs. The 9005 bulb is the high beam, the 9006 is the low beam. You can tell the low beam, 9006, because it has this gray paint over the tip. Right now, we're installing the high beam bulb. Take the 9005 high beam bulb and press it into the wiring harness until you hear a click. Then, carefully line it up and guide it through the hole in the light bulb housing. Get it seated properly with the tabs in the appropriate grooves. Then, give it 1/8 of a turn twist clockwise to lock it in place. The procedure is the same for the low beams, 9005, bulb, which is located off to the side here. The low beam is actually easier to get to. Good luck, and I hope this has been helpful. If so, click the thumbs up and all the best to you.